Scientific exploration of the 3-day water fast. Delving into the realm of scientific inquiry, we embark on an exploration of the physiological and biochemical transformations induced by the 3-day water fast. Through meticulous examination, we uncover the intricate mechanisms underlying the benefits of this fasting regimen, ranging from metabolic flexibility to immune modulation. As participants undertake the fasting journey, the body undergoes a metabolic adaptation characterized by the transition from glucose to fat metabolism. This metabolic shift is accompanied by a surge in ketone production, serving as an alternative fuel source for cellular energy. Concurrently, hunger signals are suppressed, facilitating the utilization of stored fat reserves for energy production. One of the hallmark processes activated during the fast is autophagy, a cellular recycling mechanism wherein damaged organelles and proteins are broken down and recycled. This cleansing process not only promotes cellular rejuvenation, but also aids in the clearance of dysfunctional cells and pathogens, thus bolstering immune function and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Furthermore, the fast exerts profound effects on insulin sensitivity, a key factor in metabolic health. By temporarily reducing insulin levels, the body becomes more responsive to the hormone, leading to improved glucose regulation and reduced risk of insulin resistance-related conditions such as type 2 diabetes. However, it's imperative to approach the fast with caution, especially for individuals with pre-existing medical conditions. Consulting a healthcare professional is recommended to mitigate potential risks and ensure a safe fasting experience. Upon completion of the fast, the gradual reintroduction of nourishing foods is essential to support the body's transition back to regular eating patterns. By incorporating nutrient-dense foods, participants can replenish depleted nutrients and sustain the benefits accrued during the fasting period. In summary, the 3-day water fast offers a scientifically validated pathway to metabolic optimization and enhanced well-being. Through its multifaceted effects on cellular health, immune function, and metabolic flexibility, this fasting regimen holds promise as a therapeutic intervention for promoting holistic health and vitality. Personal journey through the 3-day water fast. Embarking on a deeply personal journey, we delve into the transformative experience of the 3-day water fast, navigating its physical, emotional, and spiritual dimensions. Through introspection and self-discovery, participants embark on a voyage of renewal and rejuvenation, transcending the confines of conventional nourishment to embrace the healing power of fasting. As the body embarks on the fasting journey, a profound sense of clarity and lightness ensues, accompanied by a heightened awareness of bodily sensations and inner wisdom. Freed from the distractions of external stimuli, participants delve into the depths of their being, confronting and releasing stagnant energy and emotional blockages. Amidst the physical challenges of hunger and fatigue, a sense of resilience and inner strength emerges, propelling participants forward on their quest for self-mastery and transformation. Through acts of self-care and mindfulness, individuals cultivate a deeper connection to their bodies, nurturing themselves on a holistic level. The fasting process serves as a catalyst for profound healing and renewal, facilitating the detoxification of body, mind, and spirit. As participants surrender to the innate intelligence of their bodies, they bear witness to the miraculous unfolding of their inner healing journey, guided by the wisdom of the fasting process. However, amidst the euphoria of self-discovery, it's essential to heed the wisdom of balance and moderation. Honoring the body's signals and practicing self-compassion are paramount to ensure a safe and sustainable fasting experience. Consulting with trusted healthcare professionals can provide invaluable support and guidance along the journey. Upon completion of the fast, participants emerge renewed and revitalized, embodying a newfound sense of vitality and well-being. With hearts full of gratitude and spirits uplifted, they carry forward the lessons learned from their fasting journey, empowered to live life with greater intention, purpose, and presence. In essence, the 3-day water fast serves as a sacred rite of passage, inviting participants to embark on a profound journey of self-discovery and transformation. Through its transformative effects on body, mind, and spirit, fasting becomes not only a means of physical purification, but also a pathway to inner renewal and awakening. Angle 3. Holistic wellness and the 3-day water fast. exploring the holistic dimensions of wellness, we delve into the symbiotic relationship between the 3-day water fast and the interconnected aspects of mind, body, and spirit. Through the lens of holistic health, fasting emerges as a potent tool for restoring balance and harmony to all dimensions of being. As participants embark on the fasting journey, they engage in a process of holistic detoxification, cleansing not only the physical body, but also the mental and emotional realms. By abstaining from external nourishment, individuals create space for inner reflection and introspection, clearing away the clutter of daily life to reveal the essence of their true selves. The fast serves as a catalyst for profound healing and transformation, fostering a deep sense of alignment and integration across all levels of being. As participants attune to the rhythms of their bodies and the wisdom of their intuition, they experience a profound sense of wholeness and vitality, rooted in the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit. Amidst the physical detoxification and metabolic renewal, participants also undergo a process of emotional release and spiritual awakening. By confronting and transcending limiting beliefs and patterns, individuals reclaim their innate power and sovereignty, stepping into a new paradigm of holistic wellness and self-mastery. However, amidst the transformative potential of fasting, it's essential to approach the journey with reverence and mindfulness. Honoring the body's innate intelligence and respecting its unique needs and rhythms are paramount to ensure a safe and sustainable fasting experience. Seeking guidance from holistic healthcare practitioners can offer valuable support and insights along the journey. Upon completion of the fast, participants emerge radiant and rejuvenated, embodying a newfound sense of vitality and well-being. With hearts open and spirits uplifted, they integrate the lessons learned from their fasting journey into their daily lives, cultivating a deeper sense of connection, balance, and wholeness in all aspects of being. In essence, the 3-day water fast serves as a gateway to holistic wellness, inviting participants to embark on a profound journey of self-discovery and transformation. Through its transformative effects on mind, body, and spirit, fasting becomes not only a means of physical purification, but also a pathway to inner harmony and integration.